Namaskar. I am Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you for our daily weather briefing program today, that is 1st November 2021. Now we are talking about observed rainfall during past 24 hours. Heavy rainfall was observed at isolated places over coastal Andhra Pradesh, coastal Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. And in this slide, we also see the chief rainfall amount over Tamil Nadu was Kadalur 10 centimeter, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Nellore 8 centimeter, Kerala 7 centimeter, Rayalaseema 5 centimeter. Now we are talking about the synoptic systems of today. The yesterday low pressure area over Sri Lanka of Tamil Nadu coast today now lies over Comorin area and adjoining North Sri Lanka coast, and a trough at mean sea level runs from low pressure area to southwest Bay of Bengal of South Andhra Pradesh coast, and western disturbance as a trough lies over Afghanistan at mid tropospheric levels, and cyclonic circulation lies over North Pakistan and neighborhood at lower levels. Now we are talking about weather warning for next 5 days, as due to the low and trough, good rainfall activity will continue southern peninsula during 4 days, and the movement of the low pressure area towards westward, it is likely to emerge over Southeast Arabian Sea during next 48 hours, and it is likely to intensify over the same region subsequent during 48 hours. And now we are talking about heavy to very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu today, and heavy rainfall day 2, day 3, day 4 and reduce thereafter. And over Kerala, heavy rainfall today and heavy to very heavy rainfall on 2nd and 3rd November, and later on heavy rainfall. And over the CAP, Rayalaseema, Telangana, heavy rainfall expected during next 2 days and reduce in intensity thereafter. And due to the movement of low pressure area over northwestward, heavy rainfall is also likely over Konkan on 4th and 5th, and coastal Karnataka and SIK on 3rd, 4th and 5th. This is the significant warning during next 5 days, and other than this, weather likely to remain dry over the country during next 5 days. You get more update for it following us over our IMD website mausam.imd.gov. With this, you can following us over many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, as well as you can also mobile app for latest warning and update as Mausam app, Damni app and Meghdoot app. Thank you.